Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be taking you through one of the Tsonga dishes that is called Timanga. In English they are called peanuts. These are planted in October and November and they are harvested during February and March. They need the sun in order for them to grow. So as you know that in Limpopo that it's hot, so it's easy for them to grow here and the soil is rich, so they grow faster. Here they are. These are raw peanuts, as you can see. These ones, they are still raw, they haven't been cooked. They are from underground, these ones, but then they have been washed a little because when they are still from underground they still have that sand. So in order for you to cook them, you still have to wash them for them to be clean and not roughy when you eat them. So these are still the raw ones, they haven't been cooked. In order to cook this, you need 2 hours and 30 minutes or strictly 2 hours. It depends on what kind of peanuts are you cooking or what kind of peanuts have you grown. Some are hard, some are still soft. Especially the first harvested ones, they are still soft. So the late harvest ones, they are the ones that they are hard. They will need roughly about 2 hours and 30 minutes, those ones. But then the fresh ones and soft ones, they need 2 hours. You only need water and salt to cook these ones. And we don't peel this off, we don't peel the shells off. We cook them the way that they are, like they are still sealed. We don't peel this off. So I will be showing you the cooked ones now. Here are the cooked peanuts. As you can see, even the color has changed now. These ones are the cooked ones. They only took me 2 hours to cook these ones. So I didn't show you how I cooked them because they took time and I didn't have that much time. So that's why I'm showing you now after they've been cooked. I only added salt and water, that's it, in my pot. So these are so nice. When they are cooked, they are so nice. Many people sell them after cooking them. So some of us, we just sell them and then cook them and then eat. Especially we get this from our grannies. Our grannies are the ones that plant this and we go there during the harvest season and then to go and take some. Yeah, these ones I got it from my granny. We also have the grinded peanuts. The grinded peanuts, we use it for our muro or when we are doing tohove or shingwimbi and stuff. But then I don't. These are the powdered peanuts, as you can see. These ones, they are powdered peanuts. These have been grinded and we used this other thing to grind it. As you can see, these are grinded. Those are grinded peanuts. These are the peanuts that we use for muro and tohove and shingwimbi when they are grinded like this. Most people grind the raw peanuts and sell them and they package them like this. As you can see, they have been packaged into small packets and they sell them as little as 5 rand or 10 rand. It depends on where you sell them. When you are selling them in the rural areas, of course you have to sell them for 5 rand, but then when you're selling them in town or urban areas, you have to sell them at a higher price, especially in areas that people can't get these peanuts easily, or they can't get the raw peanuts and make the powder peanuts. So that's where you sell them for more, like they can be less. So guys, I have showed you the 3 types of peanuts that us Tsongas eat, and also many tribes do eat them, but then as we know that we're focusing on the Tsonga tribe, these are the 3 kinds of peanuts that we eat: the powder ones, the cooked ones, and the raw ones. All this product, they come from this. And you know that peanuts are used for so many things, even for making peanut butter. Yeah, so they are used for so many things. But then we grow them this side and we harvest them this side, as you can see. You see, this is the main product. Like the raw ones, they make so much products from this. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.